I said kilele. Hey, ijo yo yo, ijo yo yo. Hi guys, good morning. Let me just be sure it's connected. So the OGs here actually know that I shop my stuffs mostly from Fashionova, and this is just, I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking, making lunch, and this is just a quick unboxing. So let's unbox this together. So let me take you guys through it. My girlfriend baby shower is coming up, and yeah, I'll be going to Birmingham for it next week. So I didn't have the color code was ivory or white, but I don't know. I have ivory, but I don't just want to. I tried my best not to put on trousers because I'm so used to putting on trousers, jumpsuit and everything. I tried to look for a dress, but then my tummy won't just, and I don't want to be bound with tummy wrap or anything for that day. So I got some stuff on Fashionova, so let's unbox it together. I have to do this quick. My house back. If this man should see me that I just bought this loads of stuff. I love to shop on Fashionova, and I love to do my shopping once. For the rest of this year, I might not buy anything again on Fashionova. My shopping is always like twice a year, and that's it. And that's it. I don't really do much. What's this? I think this is just like a sandal, so let's open this together. This is so gorgeous. When it comes to shoe size, I'm always getting it wrong on Fashionova, but this time I think I took my time a bit, so let's see if it's my size. The shopping I did last before my vacation, I got some sandals. Trust me, I couldn't wear those sandals and now that I got it right, I think it's a bit big, so I might end up returning it and getting a smaller size. It's big actually. I don't think I can wear this. I love to be comfortable. It's kind of big. So for the sandals, it's cute. So I think I'll just return it and get a smaller size and get size 10. This is 11. I'll just wrap it back. So I got this to in 11. So let's see. Might be lucky, and they are cute. Yeah. So even this, it's big, but I think I'm okay with this one because it's like a strap. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a strap. So I think I might keep this. I think I might keep this actually. It's cute. Can you see? It's really, 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 really cute. So let's see what else is here. All my shoes, I'm returning them. I got this one. This should be white. This should be like a slippers. So this is nice. I got this in 10. I'm so excited. So let's hope it fits.
It fits me. Mommy, 10 is so small.
Yes, actually 10 is my perfect size.
Mommy,
get off.
Mommy, that is gonna fit me.
10 is my Xander, don't step on my feet. That 10 is my perfect size.
Mommy,
It's so nice. So for the first time, I'm excited about this slippers. So I think I'm lucky this time. So I'll return the other black one so I can get.
Mommy, can the black one fit me?
So I can get, no, it can't. It's a bigger size, so I can get a smaller size. I'll go for a size 10. And let's see what else is here. One what, Tedra? Oh God, it's a whole lot. What's all this? Hey, babe, what's going on? Flower. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you. I got a flower!
I want some more.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my love. I love you. You did not give me a kiss now. Then you did not give me a kiss. You should give me a kiss. Say, oh, my wife. Kiss, kiss. That's my husband. So yes, you can. So let's see what's here. Oh, I love. So this, I love this dress. I'll be pairing this with a socks, a tight, like, it's cute. It's cute. I never get it wrong. I've never, in fact, I think it's just the shoes, but I've never gotten it wrong with Fashionova, honestly. But yeah, they do have my style. I'm comfortable, and you just have to search for what you want, right? So, and so for this is actually for someone. I got this for my sister for her birthday. And hey babe, thank you for my flower. I love you.
This is a live or what?
Yeah. Hi. So I got this for my sister. I hope it's our size. So I got it in medium. I really hope it's a size for her birthday. So
Who did the other one? Was there a brother that did that? And you did it so well. This one, how you spread it?
You said I have to spread it long?
Spread it. When you're spreading a cloth, this is the cloth. Anything you're spreading, right? Are you going to spread like this?
it's cute.
Everything is full. But imagine you spread it like this.
Oh, this is nice.
So always spread.
So guys, I did some shopping from Fashionova. So I'm just doing some unboxing.
Still on the way.
This is cute. This is nice. I love this.
Always hold the big, the long way.
Yeah.
Like this.
You want more?
Did you see that? You can't do the other one. Get the cup.
So this is the major one I got for the event I'm going for.
Yellow.
This one. So I won't be wearing it now. You see it when I wear it. That's. Huh? No, that's on YouTube. Just making a video for YouTube.
What is this?
It's Mama's dress.
Yeah.
Mommy's dress.
Mommy, Dad?
Mommy's dress.
Mommy.
My husband said, Kilele. Hey, Ijo yo-yo. I just wanted to have one of these. So this is another one. This is so lovely. This is nice. This is beautiful. I love that. I think this is actually my best. I love it more than the one I got. But I love this shopping board. Okay. Here you go. Here you go, Temi. I'm so in love with this. So I have another party on Sunday, and this will be going for that.
No.
Guys, that's basically everything I got on Fashionova. I need to get back into my cooking. Catch you all later, same time, same station. Bye. Bye.